Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a soft green and blue spring kind of look using the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. This is look number 4 that we're working on and created using this palette. It's awesome, you guys. I love these soft looks. I say it in every intro. It's a very unique palette, has a lot of different formulas in it, and I'm just loving it. So as always, I'm starting with the Milani eyeshadow primer to prime my lids, and I have powder to catch fallout because these are very powdery. The first shade we're using is a matte lemon yellow. Once again, I lost the insert with the names of my shadows on it, so those will be in the description box below in the product list. I will look them up. So we're just windshield wipering this very soft pastel lemon yellow in our crease, and it's matte. This palette has some very unique shades that are matte in this palette, and it's pretty awesome. So the next shade we're picking up is a matte avocado green shade, and I'm just taking that on a very small crease brush and like a pencil brush, and applying that directly into the crease against the orbital bone. I'm going to blend those two together, and it just gives it a little bit more definition and depth there, and definition, yeah, just between the two shades there. So the lid shade I picked up is a shimmering green apple shade, and I am just very messily applying that to the lid with a flat shader brush. We're going to top this with an additional shade. Next up, the shade I'm picking up is just a matte mint blue, and on a whim I just decided to pick this up, apply a little bit of that in the outer corner, and once again it just gives a little extra dimension and colorfulness to the look, because I wanted this to be an all green look, but it wasn't going in the direction that I wanted it to, so I popped that blue in the outer corner. Now this shade here is a holographic green silk slip topper. Very unique formula. Like I've said in all these videos, I've never used anything like this before. A very lightweight, silky, creamy eyeshadow, very shimmery, and I'm just applying that directly on top of the green apple shade. And next up, we are using this matte white as our highlight. I'm just applying that under the brow bone and blending it down into our crease shade, that lemon yellow. And then I'm going to pick up the lemon yellow crease brush, add a little bit more shade, and we're going to blend all those shades back together. I always like taking the blending brush back over and blending the highlight with the crease shade for a seamless transition there, and I don't know, this is one of my favorite steps of an eye look, always has been, is that highlight and blending those. So that was the AOA Studio liquid eyeliner, did a thin strip of that. That was Believe Beauty's long lasting eyeliner in caviar that we tightlined with, and this is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk that we are also putting in our waterline. Now I'm going to top that with that mint blue, and if you've never used shadows to make colorful eyeliner, this may burn your eyes a bit until they get used to it. The green that I'm bringing on the lower lash line is the avocado green, and I'm just, you know, smoking out my lower lash line with that. This is the Covergirl Katy Cat Eye Pencil in Whispurr, and that's for our inner corner to have our shade that we're putting there, something to stick to. That shade that we're putting there that's an ice white silk slip topper there that we're applying in our inner corner, and it just makes for such a beautiful highlight in the inner corner. And this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Green Envy mascara, I believe it's called Green Envy, and I thought it would be very fitting for this look because we've done greens and blues, and why not use a green mascara. For lips, I didn't really want to do anything too crazy, so I just used LaColors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in Heavenly. Beautiful lip gloss, my favorite lip gloss ever, and it's so nice, it's not sticky. And I do like how this look came out. It's not my favorite look so far, but it screams spring, and what's not really to love about it? Greens and blues, and two of my favorite shades. So thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Check that description box for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more looks using the Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. Thank you so very much again for watching.